Vietnamese summer rolls, they're like a fresh salad on a summer day, as the name implies, but you can do a multitude of variations on them, and they're easy to make and they taste fantastic, and I do it like this. I start up with cooking the noodles so they have time to cool. A liter, about a quart of water and a tablespoon of salt. Add some noodles, let them cook for a few minutes, and then drain them from the hot water, or drain the hot water from them and add some cold water. Take them up when they're cooled down and just let them rest. The vegetables should be cut in half the width of the rice paper, about 10 centimeters. So I start up with cutting the cucumber, so that's about 10 centimeters. Then I cut a base and into as thin slices as absolutely possible. And reach the end, I just tip it over so it rests easily while I cut. Stack it up as finely as possible, then cut into strips. They should be as small as possible. This is about right. The peas, stack them as neatly as possible as well, and then cut from the side, lengthwise, as thin slices as possible again. And here I use my cucumber meter, measure it out the same size. That way all the vegetables will be the same length in the roll, and that's an advantage. Again, cut a base, cut in slices, cut in strips. A basic julienne technique. I have a video about that, as a basic knife technique if you're interested. And this again, the cucumber length. Cut it in two, remove the seeds. Stack it and cut in thin slices, strips. Yeah, the spring onion, cut off the ugly end, and then again the cucumber size, and again thin strips. We don't want too much onion because it has a very distinct flavor and it overwhelms the rest if there's too many of the onions. So I just cut them as thinly as possible again. The avocado, start from the stem where that used to be, cut around. Turn it, stick the knife there, remove the flesh with a spoon. And this falls apart if it's cut into two fine strips, so I just use thin slices of that. No need to make it any harder than it has to be. The salmon, cut it in two, we don't want two large pieces. Shrimp, put it on the thick end and cut through. Prawns, I think they're called also. Iceberg salad. And again, I use the cucumber measurement method. This is 10 centimeters, 4 inches. For the non-metric types out there, add some water to a plate, and then you have to wet the rice paper thoroughly. You don't want it to last in there for too long, but it has to be completely wet, and then put it on another plate that doesn't have too much water. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but not too much. And when it has rested for a few minutes, it will have softened up. Add a bit of salad, a bit of noodle, cucumber, peas, spring onion, pepper fruit, carrot, herbs, avocado, salmon, and the prawns. I place both portions about 1/3 from their respective ends, and then you just fold it as tightly as at all possible without breaking the rice paper. And when you reach the middle, you fold over the sides, and then you continue rolling. Make sure it's all tightened up in a nice, neat bunch. So, that's it. No need to glue it or anything, it will just stick together. I showed one more from the side. See there, 1/3 from each end. I hold it tightly while I fold, Then when I reach the middle, I take the sides and fold them over. And then I continue the folding. It's really not that difficult once you try it a few times. And this is it, and you can see the prawns through the rice paper, and that's exactly how it should be. Now, all that's left is to make the dipping sauce. Sugar, fish sauce, lemon or lime juice, and water. Just stir it with a little bit of chili and you're done. And if you make the dipping sauce first of all, then it has time to dissolve the sugar, so that's a good idea. So all that's left now is the good part. Enjoy. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on kvalifood.